Hello ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Welcome back to yet another video at Moto Mindset. And today we're going to find out if AI can help us create a great, amazing ride. Can it plan something I'll enjoy? To answer the question if AI can really plan a ride for me, I did what every sensible human being would do. I'll enter the prompt, re-entered it and re-entered it and re-entered it and re-entered it until it finally gave me something I wanted. I asked it to make a ride for about 1.5 hours starting from Wassenaar, that's where I live. And I wanted to see the most beautiful places of the Netherlands, as far as it's in my reach, of course. And I wanted to have a few stops where I can take pictures and enjoy the Netherlands. So, next up I entered all the locations ChatGPT gave me into my Google Maps. I checked one out because I thought it was really strange, but I didn't want to get too distracted, and I sent the whole road to my phone and didn't check it again. I wanted to be surprised and I wanted to see where ChatGPT would bring me. So, buckle up your horses, we jump on the bike and we just navigate. So, we're on the bike. Excuse me for the dirty lens, I will clean it up later in the video. Anyway, we riding on navigation. I never ride on navigation because I think you should keep your eyes on the roads, but for this video's sake, I choose navigation. And unfortunately, we end up on the highway. I think the problem with this is Google Maps and not ChatGPT. ChatGPT gave me like 6 or 7 locations, and Google Maps just brings me this fastest route I can. At this point in our journey, I'm a little bit scared. I know Leiden very well, and I don't think there's any nature coming up, but Google Maps told me I'm 1 minute away here, so I'm a little bit hesitant. But you never know what you find when you just blindly follow AI. So, where are we? Well, we're actually at the central station of Leiden. It's an okay place. Is it beautiful? Well, it's definitely no nature in any kind. There's a Jumbo, which is a supermarket, which is lovely. But I would say the first stop is a little disappointed. So, next? First of all, we have to enjoy the view. The view of the bike, which is beautiful as always. And then the beautiful central station of Leiden. Enjoy the full nature the Netherlands have to offer. It's a central station. Let's get out of here. The next stop we're heading, I actually kinda know very well. I drive here very often because it actually is very beautiful. But I kept my promise, I didn't check my navigation too often. But at this point, I definitely know we're going to the beach of Katwijk, which is very beautiful, and nature debatable, but well, the beach is nature, so let's enjoy the beautiful Katwijk together. I'll shut up for a moment. Thank me in the comment section below for shutting up. So let's head up to our next location. I have to be honest, I checked this one out because I had absolutely no idea there was something as little as interesting at that place, but I could be wrong. Who am I? I haven't been to every place in the Netherlands, so head up to our next location. Strangely, we were right back in Leiden, which we just came back from before Katwijk. That is a very big improvement for ChatGPT. Don't wiggle me around in places we can easily go around, but the tension has to be built, because if I go twice to the right and once through some place I've never been, we end up in a place I've never been, and ChatGPT brought me, AI brought me there. Behind here somewhere should be a very beautiful place in the Netherlands. I otherwise would never been. Tension is high, and I'm full of excitement riding this unpleasant route. But where do we end up? Where are we? Well, I'm not gonna lie. It's beautiful. It's making me warm inside. I never thought in my entire life it would end up here. And AI made that happen. And the most fun part is those guys on the right have absolutely no clue why there is a beautiful motorcycle in the middle of a Sunday, riding here and showing people all roll around the world this amazing place. Come on AI, you can do better. It's okay. But why is this the best place we can? I give you one more shot, one more chance to bring me somewhere special, somewhere I can really enjoy the nature of the Netherlands. And for the last try, for the last chance I gave AI to make a great route for my Sunday ride, we are back in Wassenaar. We crossed this road already the other way around, so very unlogical route. But where do we end up? Is it worth the ride? Does AI make you the best route you can? So, we're at our destination, and where are we? We are at the Horsten, which is a beautiful place to walk, but you can't get there by motorcycle. So, and I really made that very clear to AI that I want to go somewhere with my bike where I can make beautiful pictures. So no, AI can't bring you the best of the Netherlands. So buckle up, because this is everything AI missed and everything we should have went to while riding the bike. So I think I made my point by now. This is the last place, which is amazingly beautiful, is the estate Voorlinde. Unfortunately, I couldn't get too close to make great images, but just Google this Voorlinde thing and you will be amazed how beautiful it is. So we can conclude that AI can't make the best routes possible. It surprised me a little bit, but at the end, it's just not what I wanted. If you like this kind of content, you're not the only one, so please be fast to subscribe. The faster you subscribe, the more I love you. Thank you for watching, and I will insert a video of my dog, because that will make me million subscribes in one day. Thank you for watching. Cheers!